Hey everyone, Mr. Sabian here. Today I am doing an unboxing of an EM Smart Basic 2R laser from 3P Lasers in China. I'm not in China, I'm in the US, they're in China. So please join me. Alright, now that we got the introductions out of the way, I wanted to introduce you to the EM Smart Basic 2R. I purchased this on April 4th and today is the 18th, so that's a pretty quick turnaround. And I do have some glasses coming in also, should be here later today. And I have a venting system I have that I'm going to use it to finish off my workbench behind us here. So let's start with the laser and the box and the opening. And I am completely new at this. I know nothing about lasers. Absolutely nothing. I'll probably shoot my eye out. But anyway, let's get down to business. I'm going to open this up. I've seen this before. 3M likes to package it nice and securely. And I gotta say, it's very heavy. It came from a fella called Mr. Wang in Wuhan Panini Commerce Co. Ltd. Oceanwide City Plaza. And that's in China. Okay, let's keep going here. I'll keep this section open, and here is the top of the box. Whoa, now it's kind of open. I don't like that. I hope nobody cut open the tape. It looks like they did. It looks like they cut open the tape. All right, big amount of foamage here. Here's a box. Let's take this out. There's something in here. Let's put this over here. We'll take a look at that quickly. Oh, there it is. There's everything. Let me adjust the camera. That's what you get in this box. It's got my name on there, my nickname. All right, let's put this garbage up here. Keep everything nice and organized. We got a warranty card. We got a lens tissue. I don't see, oh, there are a bunch of lens tissues, I get it. They're like in a little notepad. Very nice. All right, everything's got a name on it. I see some fingerprints and so forth. I guess that's just them putting it together. What do I got here? Oh, I see something good down here. This, it has cable, it had lens, it had glasses. I ordered another pair of glasses. That's coming today. That's good. My wife could watch me work. Then I got the rotary tool. And hopefully some business cards and so forth. And a 16 gigabyte USB that carries the software EasyCAD Lite. Let's make some space there and we'll put this stuff up here. I don't know if it was a bright choice of me to put shiny mirroring material under a laser. But what are you gonna do? Too late now. Got the screws. That all came out of this package. All right, what do we got here? Ooh. Okay, here's the rotary tool, nice and heavy. Should I open it as I go along or should I just leave it for later? I'll open it now. No reason to tease. Okay, that looks sweet. I've seen a few, some oil on there. You gotta oil up the tools, I guess. There's a connection, a lot of oil. Anyway, this is for all you pros out there, you know what that's for. That's to put, I want to put rings and jewelry and stuff on there. That's why I went for the smaller compact model. I don't need a bigger one. I would have liked the bigger one because I had the notion to maybe etch into some guitars and so forth, but as far as I could read right now, this doesn't even work on wood unless it's coated. Here's a bracket right here. I had to contact them and ask them what coated wood actually means, and pretty much varnished, you know, so forth. So, you know, I could probably do a finished guitar that's already got its final coating on there, because I want to do some nice designs on necks and so forth. I don't know what this is. Well, obviously spacers and so forth. It has a name on it. Not for marking. Oh, not for marking. This is part of the actual unit. You don't want to mark that. What I got here now is a pair of glasses, I hope, unless it's just an empty case, because it's pretty light. Now we got glasses. What do you think about that? I could wear this in everyday use. Very nice glasses. I got another one coming, like I mentioned earlier. Let's put this back in the case here. Well, here's the case. And now let's get the power source out. Power supply, brick, right there. Putting all that stuff there. USB. Oh, I'm a little concerned. Where's my USB? Oh, it could be in there. All the other stuff right in there. I'm going to open that right now. USB to this other kind of connection. You know what that is. Okay, the rest of this is actually the laser itself. So before I open that, I'm going to open this right here. And just to repeat myself, I have never used a laser before in my life. I've never touched one. I've never seen one in person. I've been watching a lot of cool videos online. There's a nice fella, I don't know where he's from. He's from the States, but everything lasers. He's got some good stuff, and of course, if you go to the 3P laser site, you'll see about 4 or 5 videos of some laser fans who put up their little critique and a review of the units. But so far, I haven't seen anybody review this or show the 25 watt. Hey, check it out. They stuck my other glasses in the box. Those were the last ones that I ordered. And I got the original ones that come with the unit in here, obviously. Let's see. Same colored lens. Now I gotta check it out. This looks like this is different. Wow, that's a lot darker. I guess it serves a purpose, you know, you gotta have it darker if you're dealing with more powerful lasers, I imagine. This has a cooler style, and it's got the, but it's not as dark. So, just in case you end up ordering 2 glasses, you might get a different one. I said earlier I got some ducting coming in today, just to keep the air clean. Working this out of my garage. Here is a strap of some sort. Oh no, wait a second. These are 2 bracelets. You could engrave on them right there in black. The black parts, you know, I thought it was some kind of camera strap or something. Obviously not, because I didn't buy a camera. All right. This part of the laser, I'm assuming. I don't know. What do I got here? Looks like I got some keychains. This is certainly stuff you could all look up online, but it's not quite the same as seeing it in person. I know other people have shown it, but... And then I got like some coin things. Awesome. I wonder if you take it out of the plastic before you laser it. Some coins, 2 keychains. All good stuff. Here's some kind of mug. Pretty good. Okay, this thing I could laser engrave. Some people were saying this is about as big as you could go with the tumbler. We'll put that there. Got something here in the box. This is like Christmas time for me. I don't often buy myself stuff. I actually do, but I'm not going to say that on camera. Cigar box, I've seen this before, stainless steel. What if you're not a cigar smoker? Smells. Got some nice China air in there. Cool. Put that over there. You can still see it. Now it's scratched. What else you got? Let's go with this thing. This is a fancy copper type or gold type bracelet. This is all good stuff to practice on. Either that or this is my wife's birthday gift. Let's do this first. We're almost done. We're almost down to the laser. I don't know. This is a card. Metal card. Metal business card. I'm going to pull it out so you can see it. Blue on both sides. Oh, there's a couple of them. 1, 2. 1, 2. One's thicker, I think. All right. Business card type of deals. Something in a box. Traditional flask. I've never owned a flask before, but it's always a first time. I'm gonna have to take up drinking. All right, that's awesome. You know, when you add these things up, it adds up. That's what happens when you add things up. That flask is like 30, 40 bucks. Come on. People are waiting. Let's get rid of this box. At least you can see the laser that I haven't gotten to yet. That's all we're kind of down to. Oh, wait. Where's the USB? I hope I have the USB. Here's a green flask. I'd open it, but now I'm getting worried. Where's the USB? I haven't seen it yet. It's not on the tape. Oh, wait a second. My bad. Here we go. I don't know what it says on here. Is it upside down? Oh, it's a serial number and it says something on there. Okay, that's the USB with EasyCat on there. Maybe I shouldn't have shown that. We pretty much got everything that was expected in the box. Q-switch laser is the kind apparently they use in tattoo removal. And that's not what I'm into. I wouldn't mind trying. Yeah, this is the tower. We're gonna open this. Again, nicely wrapped with a lot of cellophane. This is part M2. All right, they all got names. Here's you crank this and you grind the coffee. How many people have used that joke online? All right, is this gonna stand? Stands by itself, people. I don't want it to fall. All right, we're getting very close. Here's another for weighing. These are weights apparently for weighing. I don't know what I'm gonna weigh. The other one says not for engraving, and this one says not for weighing. All right, the one last and final piece, the main heart and soul, that's pretty heavy. It's pretty heavy, I'd say, 20 pounds of it is here. I see another little box in there. But how do we want to do this? I understand you really don't want to bend the fiber cord cable. Now I'm going to put that there. We got one more box in here. This looks like it's business cards. Do I rip it open? I guess so. Yeah, it looks like a nice pack of more metal business cards, but in black. Obviously something good to practice with. It kind of bends, so it's thin. That's nice. All right, you got a bunch of those. The box is empty. As you can see, nothing left. Get rid of this puppy. Okay, everyone, we are now back at the work desk. I cleaned some of the garbage away, put it up top, and now I'm going to try to put this thing together. This piece and this piece are connected, so no worries there. Next, we're going to grab this part. This is part that says M2. Is it backwards? No, that's M2. Could be backwards, but it doesn't matter. And there's a tag on here that says M2, so we want to remove this. All right, let's take this off too. Which way does this go? Okay, the gears are on the inside, so I'm going to put this on the outside. Can you see beyond my stomach? Let's do a little bit of that. So now we got this. Am I supposed to look up instructions? Let me plug this in and we'll be right back. Okay, everybody, after some struggles, only because, you know, I'm slow on this stuff. Anybody else would have figured it out in a second. I'm not a PC guy, I'm an Apple guy. Like I mentioned before, I've figured out how to open the, I think it's a user manual. Oh, wait a second. There's nothing in here. Hi, dear friend. Please kindly take off this lens protective cover before starting marking work. Put this protective cover back on to protect the lens after done working. Seriously? Okay, friends. So what I'm trying to do now is undo everything out of this USB stick that I plugged in there. I just pulled out the EM Smart Basic software. Now I'm gonna undo the EasyCAD Lite. Come on. Okay, everybody, we're just gonna have to wing it right now. I don't see any manuals, and I don't have the patience to look for anything. So I know right away this one said M2, so I'm gonna reach down here for the bag that says M2. Very easy. No need to stress. Let's open this up. Let's get 4. We want 4 Allen screws. This one says M1. I'm opening this now because it has the tool in there. So what we're gonna do is put this tower on right now. I'm assuming that's all it'll take. And you always want to start off all the screws before you go in, because you don't want to strip anything. And if you tighten one, then the other ones are most likely going to be offline and you'll end up stripping it. So tightening this, getting them in there. By the way, if you were here earlier, I figured out what this is. This is a card holder. I can engrave it. Took me a quick second to figure that out. All right, so I need these screws down. All right, 4 screws. You never want to over tight, but you want to make them tight so they're. All right, we're good there. We got that. Look at that tower and the coffee grinder on top. All right, I'm assuming this part, which is the M1, and this is the M2. This said M2, so I'm gonna put this on here. And then I'm figuring that the last part, which is marked the M1, will fit with the M1. Wait a second. Is it gonna fit that way? Yeah, it's gonna fit that way. M2 and then M1. Let's take this power brick out of here. Free up some space. USB, take that out of there. I'm gonna have no idea what these things are for yet. I don't know. It says for weighing and not for marking. You weigh it, but you don't mark it. Wait, here's our M2 screws. Got it. Okay, so we got the laser on there. Gotta be careful with the fiber back there. There we go. Let's go to the next steps. Maybe I should move it over. Here's a power block. Let's stick in the power, huh? I tried to install a licensed version of EasyCAD Lite. I'm not sure that I did. I'll take a look at that in a few moments. Plug this in. You can see where this goes. And there's some 3 or 4 ports back there. One of them I assume goes to this. This is to get it hooked up to the computer. Got an extra spot there on my USB. I plugged it in right over here. Now, let's go around here and plug this in. Okay, officially plugged into the computer now. That computer over there. Let me get some of this debris out of here. I know this stuff's here, like for tumblers and so forth. Maybe pens, whatever you do with. We used screws M1 and M2. And get rid of those. I just lost one of these. I don't know what these are. Um, I'm sure there were directions here somewhere. And it's a warranty. No directions. I don't know where these go exactly. Oh, these are for probably the tools for these. Okay, I get it. Don't need to worry about those right now. I'm going to take this stuff and I'm going to put it up top. Now I might as well plug in the rotary tool, even though I don't think I'll get to it. Looks complicated at the moment to me. But I'll put this over here. Now this thing is going to plug into the back of this. You plug it in and you screw it down. No chance of it dislodging. All right. I wish I knew what these were. For weighing. I don't get it. These are exact same things and they say not for marking, for weighing. There's 5 of them here and there's 4 of them here. I'm not sure what I'm weighing. Oh, is this to give this height? Okay, yeah, that's right. I know what I'm doing. Maybe, you know, they just use the word weighing in the wrong context. This is for raising. But I can't imagine you want to raise it this high, do you? But either way, you got to find balance. I guess you can't, well, I don't know. That seems kind of ridiculous to raise it that high. I'll figure this stuff out later. Because, should I put this over here? Looks kind of cool. What I'm going to do now is clear this work area. Let's take these things off. For weighing things, because I don't know what to weigh. Let's pull the computer over. Just so you guys know, this one, I don't know if you could see it, it's $26.99. At the time that I bought it, there was a little bit of a discount, and I ended up right around 2,500 bucks with free shipping. So, and then I paid another 60 bucks for an extra set of glasses because I did not know one was going to come in there with it. So this is the ones I bought. I bought it from the same company, so they have different kinds. And this is the one they sent me. So I think I'm going to use the one that I bought because it's got protection on the side too. Because I've never fired up a laser. I don't know what I'm doing. I want to keep this handy so I don't forget. It's going to be right there when I'm ready to do something. Where do we go now? Maybe to EasyCAD would be our next step. I want you guys to have a better view of everything. And then we'll do our first marking, and then that will be the end of our unboxing. Look at that. We're almost there. I remember when we started, it was just started out as a box, a cardboard box. Okay, I'm going to press this button right down here. Everybody excited? You know what? I don't trust it. What do you think about that? All right, here we go. Okay, I pressed it and nothing happened, but no need to fret. I think it needs to reset here. I hear it. You guys hear it? No light yet or anything. I hear a fan. I don't think I'm connected. Um, because it says demo version on here. Let me look into this a bit and I'll be right back. Okay, friends, finally got it to do something. Um, it really was not very difficult at all. I just had that learning curve with my new PC computer and putting the machine together. So all in all, it was very smooth transition, and you can see this was the first thing I tried, and hey, it looks like it's something I would buy for my wife in the store. Just gotta refine my methods, figure out how to make it the best it could be, and that's it. Thanks so much for 3P Lasers. They made a wonderful tool. Should have a lot of good fun out of this. Take care.